Winnebago Voyage, the 2730. I'll tell you, Voyage is Winnebago's top of the line, and it packs a punch. I'll tell you, this is a smaller camper, so for those of you who want quality but not huge, this is the way to go. You got the fiberglass front cap there with all kind of LED lights, not just one strip or two strips. They got 3 strips of LED lights there. 12-volt shut-off switch. We're going to put a battery right there for you, and since there's solar on the roof, we're going to do a big Group 27 interstate battery for you. We're going to fill the propane tanks. You got electric stabilizer right there. So there's all the running, so you can do each one individually when you're stabilizing. Swinging around over here, you can see how big this door is. It's like 2.5 by 2 feet, and just like a fifth wheel, all your equipment is right in here. There's the solar charger. It's prepped for a tire monitor system, all your cable and satellite hookups, hot and cold water, all your hookups for your tank, your water, fresh water. You just go by there. It's prepped for an inverter if you wanted to add that. You can see that it's aluminum framed. Nice big storage area. Black tank flush right there. And then you got this water heater. I'm gonna pop it open. There we go. So this is a 10-gallon water heater. Most of them are 6. Voyage gives you a 10, so that's a plus. And then this is your plug-in right there for power. More storage back here. I can actually open it up for you. It's got the magnets that are going to hold it up like that, but you got storage in the slide over here, which is cool. On the back, you got a ladder. It goes up to the roof. Your backup camera prepped. If you buy a backup camera from us, we'll install it for you. And then you have this guy, which is good for like putting a bike rack or something on there. It's rated for 250 pounds. Here's your other slide out, flip-in steps. And what I think is really cool is they put the speakers down low. So if they were up there, you'd be bothering the whole campsite with your music. Here it's nice down low. You guys can sit right next to it, and you put the music nice and low so you can hear it and you're not bothering everybody else in the whole campsite. And then you do have water on this side too, spray port. If you wanted to hang a TV outside, you got hookups for it right there. Nice big awning with the awning lights. And then we're gonna go inside here. And this stuff right here, 3-year structural warranty on top of the 1-year bumper to hitch. The Explorer package and your Comfort Tech package, it's all in the writing that we put on there, but basically heated and closed underbelly. Look how nice this looks. Huge fridge. Most 30-foot campers don't have the big fridge like that. We're gonna swing around. I'm gonna show you this whole living room after I shut the door behind me. So this is pretty cool. I'm gonna show you this. You got a fireplace, Bluetooth. This TV will pull out and swivel, but it also has a little storage spot back here, and it's shelf storage. It's on this nice little slide, so you can put a whole bunch of goodies in there. Even have more storage on each side of the fireplace. This is a trifold sofa. I'm pretty sure I got a picture of it. You can put the table there. You got a phone charger right there, so you can put it on there, or you can plug it in there. And then you have storage there. This is recliners. Sits right across from the TV. You got the pull down slow rise shades. And then you swing around over here, and this is your kitchen. And I put the little table up. Ducted heat, ducted air conditioning throughout. The vents aren't always open. You can shut them if you want like that. You got a little vent in the kitchen too. oven, lots of storage down below. Huge oversized convection microwave oven. More storage there. The glass looks really cool on these cabinets. Coming back over here, electric. So you got water heaters, electric, your water pump. You got heated tanks, so not only is it heated enclosed underbelly, but there's heated tank pads that you can turn on if it gets really cold out. And then your lighting inside, outside, your slide controls, and your awning control, and it is prepped for King Wi-Fi. And then your vent for opening up and closing the fan right there. So right up there, it's electric. And then thermostat, more lighting. And this has a really nice size shower with the skylight. It's got the tub surround. I should say it's a shower surround because it's not really a tub. It's only about 6 inches deep. You can see that they use all the good hinges, not the cheapos. You got a fan up here too. And then foot flush porcelain toilet, the nice tall one. Stainless steel sink, your mirror, medicine cabinet, GFI outlets, and then there's to open the vents with the switch too, so you don't have to try to reach up on the ceiling. There's that table that goes, I lost a contact lens. Anyway, there's the table that goes on the couch. And then, like I said, it's inverter prepped if you wanted to add it. That would be one of the inverted outlets. Charge port right there. And then shelf with lighting, so you can reach up and click a light while you're in bed. And lots of hanging storage on each side. More storage over there, and it comes with the TV in the bedroom and a separate thermostat for the second air conditioner. Let's go over here and pop this open. And there is a nice spot here. If you wanted to add a pole for hanging storage, you can do that there if you need even more than what's behind me, but lots of storage. So I'll open one of these so you can see it's got the pole in there each side. So there is the bedroom. Working windows everywhere, the nice pull down shades, slow rise shades, even in the hallway. Boom. So there it is. The Winnebago 2730 RL. And I'm going to take a quick peek at this sheet, make sure I didn't miss anything. Smart TV comes with it, 2 of them, because there's one in the bedroom too. Goodyear tires. And the 2 air conditioners I mentioned, so lots of goodies. I mean, the thing is just loaded. I'm looking at this list. You can look down the list also that we have on the website, and it just goes, there's so many standards and features and options, and we got it really loaded. Look at all that storage up there. Again, with the good, they hold themselves up with those nice hinges. Oh man, there's even storage above the TV. That's slick. And like I say, this TV will pull out and swivel also, so you can sit over here or straight across from it. Heck, you could be working in the kitchen and turn it. Alright, I had to pause this so I could show you. So I turned the TV towards the kitchen, opened the slide a little bit, so now I can stand in the kitchen, do my cooking, and if I need to, TV faces me. Man, that's cool. Alright, that's enough. If you want to see it, come on in. Thank you.